first load, Jib, of many. Okay, I'll be back with some snacks for you. First load. Sun's trying to come out. I told you I didn't forget you. Here you go. I'll bring some more. That's good. Good puppies. Good puppies. Hi.
So Joe is over there getting the gravel laid and helping Jeff with his hay. I have been stalking the wood, keeping the fire going. I'm working on getting things cleaned up and put away so that we can start work and get moving on the things that our projects we've been working on. The driveway was super important and needed to get done, so sometimes plans change. But I'm setting us up for success by prepping more firewood. So let's head out and get some more. We are gonna go grab some from the surrounding forest. You have to be careful of what kinds of wood you're grabbing. You don't want to grab like hedge wood. It's very dense, hard, and it can be very poppy. And you don't want to put pine in there. So I don't know that there's a whole lot of pine around here. We do have cedar trees. It's super awesome that you can just go right out into your backyard on your own land and acquire resources. The sun's come out today. It is gorgeous out. There is like a nice breeze. It's not crazy cold. Ugh, I've got the solar panels charging and we're gonna go get some more wood. Let's go see what we can find. I have no idea where to even start. There was a lot back there yesterday. Let's go over this way. That looks like a good little log. Ow. More thorns. Ouch. So quiet out here. So I like this branch. There's a couple good ones over here. Oh, she's long. Should have worn my gloves. I had gloves on yesterday and it was a little easier. Maybe I'll grab a pair once I get to the top. It's a workout, man. Legit workout. that'll be easy to cut up. I'm gonna head back down to that same spot because there's a couple good looking logs. And it wasn't that far. Just a few steps. So I have to remember the way I went down so I'm not getting attacked by the sticker bushes. That one feels a little bit harder. All right. I need you to cooperate here. He's very resistant here. So, oh, there's that thorn again. I figured I might as well try to make myself as useful as possible because there's only so much I can do until I learn how to work certain tools. And until I learn how to use them, I can't do certain things. And that's all right. I wouldn't want him going into my kitchen and just using my stuff without like knowing what he was doing. Who knows what would happen? So I can respect, like, those are his tools and he doesn't care, but just out of respect, I'd like to wait. So we'll get firewood, we'll get other things done, we'll get cleaning done, we'll get everything ready so when he gets back, we can focus on other things. I'm getting kind of hungry. I don't really have anything out here. Like, I guess I could make an egg or something. All right. That's a little bit of wood I can cut up. Let's get going on that. Nice. Those will be good and ready.